So today I'd like to show you one of our finest specimens in the rock collection, and that is a spindle bomb from Iceland. So here it is. It's quite a sizable one, and it's got this red oxidized crust, and there's a bit of a striation here. And this comes from flying through the air in a semi-liquid kind of state, and then there's some cracks in here, and that's usually then either coming from cooling once the material starts to contract a little bit on cooling, or sometimes also from inflation, but these look more like cooling cracks. And then we can look a little bit inside if we turn this around. So here's the interior, and as I said, there's the oxidized crust. It's very thin, and here we have more kind of dark material, basaltic material. There's also some larger vesicles, and often they are deformed. This one seems to go into the rock, so this one here as well. So this was a vesicle that was actually forming while the material was being stretched. If the vesicle grows after the material has flown through the air and is already deposited, then the vesicles would be dominantly spherical, but that's not quite what we see here. Then we also see kind of layers here, and material that seems to go around the vesicle. So I'll turn this around now to the other side. So here we have the other side, and then again we have a vesicle here, and this one really goes into the rock. So this was stretched, or is stretched, in parallel to the long axis of our spindle bomb here. Now I'll turn the whole specimen around. It's a little on the heavy side, but that's how it looks on the other side. Again, we have some striations here, a lovely oxidized crust, and the whole thing looks a bit like a twisted spindle. So I hope you enjoyed that, and this was our big spindle bomb from Iceland. Thank you for joining again, and all the very best.